Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360 and you're watching FoodTech Quiz number 80. Topic: Important national and international accreditation bodies. It consists of 20 MCQs, so watch the video till end and comment down your score out of 20. FoodTech 360 is providing topic-wise important MCQs for FSSAI Central Food Safety Officer and Technical Officer and TNMRB Food Safety Officer exams. It includes the following features. For more details, kindly check the description box and comment section, or you can directly contact us through our official mail ID foodtech360info@gmail.com. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. IAF stands for options: A. International Accreditation Federation, B. Internal Access Forum, C. International Accreditation Forum, D. Internal Accreditation Forum. Correct answer: C. International Accreditation Forum. Question number 2. IAF was founded on options: A. 26 January 1993, B. 28 January 1993, C. 28 January 1997, D. 26 January 1993. Correct answer: B. 28 January 1993. Question number 3. Which of the following is a national accreditation body? Options: A. IAF, B. ILAC, C. QCI, D. APAC. Correct answer: C. QCI. Question number 4. ILAC stands for options: A. International Laboratory Accreditation Corporation, B. International Laboratory Accreditation Center, C. Internal Laboratory Accreditation Corporation, D. None of these. Correct answer: A. International Laboratory Accreditation Corporation. Question number 5. Which of the following has established to create a mechanism for independent third-party assessment of products, services and processes in India? Options: A. IAF, B. ILAC, C. QCI, D. APAC. Correct answer: C. QCI. Question number 6. Dash is offering accreditation program for quality school governance in the country. Options: A. NABCB, B. NABL, C. NABET, D. NABH. Correct answer: C. NABET. Question number 7. How many accreditation bodies from over 105 economies have signed the ILAC Mutual Recognition Arrangement? Options: A. 105, B. 104, C. 103, D. 101. Correct answer: B. 104. Question number 8. APAC stands for options: A. Asia Pacific Accreditation Center, B. Asia Pacific Accreditation Corporation, C. Asia Pacific Accreditation Certificate, D. None of these. Correct answer: B. Asia Pacific Accreditation Corporation. Question number 9. Which of the following the international accreditation body of laboratories? Options: A. NABL, B. ILAC, C. APLAC, D. QCI. Correct answer: C. APLAC. Question number 10. QCI was set up through a PPP model as an independent autonomous organization with the support of Government of India and Indian industry represented by which of the following industry association? Options: A. ASSO CHAM, B. CII, C. FICCI, D. All of them. Correct answer: D. All of them. Question number 11. NABCB is a member of which of the following international accreditation body? Options: A. IAF, B. ILAC, C. APAC, D. All of them. Correct answer: D. All of them. Question number 12. NABL 112 refers to options: A. Guidance for classification of product groups in testing and calibration field, B. Specific criteria for accreditation of medical laboratories. C. Application form for proficiency testing providers. D. Application form for reference material producers accreditation. Correct answer B. Specific criteria for accreditation of medical laboratories. Question number 13. Which of the following refers to application form of proficiency testing providers? Options: A. NABL 120, B. NABL 112, C. NABL 180, D. NABL 190. Correct answer C. NABL 180. Question number 14. Which of the following is for the accreditation of healthcare facilities? Options: A. NABL, B. NABH, C. NABCB, D. NBQP. Correct answer B. NABH. Question number 15. NBQP stands for? Options: A. National Board for Quality Parameters, B. National Board for Quality Programs, C. National Board for Quality Promotion, D. None of these. Correct answer C. National Board for Quality Promotion. Question number 16. ISO 17034 refers to? Options: A. General requirements for the competence of reference material producers, B. Conformity assessment general requirements for proficiency testing, C. Medical laboratories requirements for quality and competence, D. General requirements for the competence of testing and calibration laboratories. Correct answer A. General requirements for the competence of reference material producers. Question number 17. QMS stands for? Options: A. Quality Material System, B. Quality Management System, C. Quantity Management System, D. Quality Management Series. Correct answer B. Quality Management System. Question number 18. Which of the following are the major roles of ILAC? Options: A. Promoting laboratory inspection body proficiency testing providers, B. Developing and harmonizing laboratory and inspection bodies, C. Recognizing accredited calibration laboratories and testing laboratories, D. All of the above. Correct answer D. All of the above. Question number 19. At the end of 2018, PAC had how many accreditation bodies that were MLA signatories? Options: A. 7, B. 38, C. 27, D. 14. Correct answer C. 27. Question number 20. Which of the following is an international accreditation body? Options: A. QCI, B. NBQB, C. NABH, D. None of these. Correct answer D. None of these. Now comment down your score out of 20. If you have missed out the previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For more updates, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Link is in the description. If you want all the topic-wise important MCQs in PDF format, kindly contact us through our official mail ID futech360info@gmail.com. For more information, you can check the description box and comment section. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel FUTECH360. Thank you.